Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through SNMP guys. It is nothing but a simple network management protocol. So from this word only you'll be saying like it is not a common type of protocol. It is a management protocol. It is used to do management of multiple things or monitoring multiple things, right? Yes. So from the name itself, we can clearly say that this protocol is meant for management or monitoring the network. Yes. So used for monitoring the network, detecting any network failures, we'll be using this guys. So the components used here are nothing but SNMP manager, SNMP agent and SNMP. Okay. So if we draw a small diagram, it will be in this way guys. So the SNMP manager will be connected to the SNMP and this SNMP is connected to the agent. Agent is nothing but collection of multiple things guys, routers, servers, switches and all those things will be calling it as combined we can call agent, and he will be observing all these things statuses like whether they are working and all those things. Okay, so SNMP supports on all hardware components guys, that's one of the advantage. Okay, similarly SNMP is a synchronous module guys. Okay, so its commands are as usual as HTTP only. So get is there to get the data, response is there to respond from the device. Okay, so get next is to get data continuously, like until the end of the information, like if there are 100 systems, to get one after the other we'll be using this get next guys. Okay, similarly get bulk is to get from a number of devices, so 1 to 10, 10 to 20 like that. Okay, set is used to resolve error by setting the flags and all those things. So assume that there is a flag due to some error, it became 1, so you resolved it, so you need to update it, right? So in that situation you'll be going for set. Similarly trap is nothing but to show any kind of faults, you'll be entering those flags and all those things. Okay, so now let us go through some small definitions for these for the diagram. So SNMP agent is nothing but data is collected and managed here. So all the data will be collected and stored there, or you can even say that the devices will be there, you will be collecting the data from them. Okay, so SNMP manager controls and understands and reacts and simulates. Okay, so basically whatever happens, he will be responding for all those things, right? So he is the main controller or manager of the whole thing. Okay, similarly management information basis, that is nothing but MIB, a text file to store all the transitions. So basically whatever are happening, he will be storing everything, that is nothing but MIB guys. I'm saying he means it is nothing but just a file guys. Okay, so similarly like any other protocol, we are here also we are having three different versions, version 1, version 2 and version 3. So version 1 was really simple, version 2 some new features have been added, and version 3 the security and remote access have been added. So basically whenever you are using SNMP, they will be using SNMP 3 only, because it is secured and remote accesses are also possible. Okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea about SNMP, right? Okay, so in the next lecture we'll be going through telnet guys. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.